Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to share 5 dynamic, tested and verified classroom strategies for academic advancement. You will find the templates and helpful web links in the description. Number 1. Frayer Model. The Frayer Model is a graphic organizer that helps students understand and internalize vocabulary words by examining the word's characteristics and examples. Students create a 4-square graphic organizer that includes the word, its definition, characteristics, examples, and non-examples. For example, in science class, a student learning about the water cycle might use the Frayer model to explore the word condensation, defining it, listing its characteristics, and providing examples and non-examples. This method helps students develop a deeper understanding of the term. Number 2. KWL Chart. The KWL Know, Want to Know and Learn chart is a useful tool for activating prior knowledge, setting learning goals, and summarizing what has been learned. Students fill in the K column with what they already know about the topic, the W column with what they want to learn, and the L column what they have learned after the lesson or unit. For example, in a history class, a student might use a KWL chart to explore a new unit on the American Revolution, jotting down what they know about the topic, what they want to learn, and finally, after the unit, what they have learned. This chart helps students engage with the material and track their learning progress. Number 3. Socratic-Seminar. Socratic seminars promote critical thinking, deep understanding, and respectful dialogue among students on a specific text or topic. Students engage in a structured decision, asking open-ended questions, and using the text as evidence to support their viewpoint. For example, in an English literature class, students might participate in a Socratic seminar on a poem, discussing its themes, literary devices, and interpretations. This strategy enhances students' analytical skills and encourages them to think critically. Number 4. Reciprocal Teaching. Reciprocal Teaching is a small group instructional strategy that improves students' reading comprehension skills through predicting, questioning, clarifying, and summarizing. Students take turns leading discussions using the 4 strategies with the goal of collectively understanding the text. For example, in a language arts class, students might use reciprocal teaching to analyze a complex text, taking on different roles within their group to facilitate a comprehensive understanding of the material. Number 5. Zone of Proximal Development. The zone of proximal development is a concept that identifies the difference between what a learner can accomplish independently and what they can achieve with guidance and instruction. Educators assess a student's current abilities and then provide targeted instruction and support to help the students advance to the next level of learning within their ZPD. For example, in a mathematics class, a teacher might use the ZPD to identify a student's current understanding of a math concept and then provide scaffolded support to help the students work through more challenging problems. This strategy ensures that learning is appropriately challenging and supportive for each student. These strategies and their associated explanation can significantly enhance classroom learning by facilitating deeper understanding, critical thinking, and collaborative interaction among students. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.